Top 5 Best 15-inch Laptops 2022. Number 1 2022 Newest HP Envy X362-in-1 Laptop 15.6 inches Full HD Touchscreen. AMD Ryzen 5 5500U 6-core processor 16GB DDR4 RAM, 256GB Xeon.2 SSD Backlit keyboard, webcam, Wi-Fi 6, HDMI, Windows 11 Home. Number 2 2022 Newest Lenovo C340 15.6-inch FHD touchscreen 2-in-1 Chromebook laptop Intel i3 CPU, up to 3.4 GHz, 4GB RAM, 64GB EMC, USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, webcam, Chrome OS+JVQ MP.15.6 Full HD touchscreen. The 1920 by 1080 resolution boasts impressive. Number 3 HP Pavilion X360 Convertible 15.6-inch touchscreen 2-in-1 laptop. 11th General Intel Core i5-1135G7, BDI 7-1065G7, quad-core processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Intel Iris Z graphics, Windows 11 Home. 15.6 diagonal. Number 4 Asus 15.6 inches FHD Thin Light Laptop 2022 Newest, Intel Celeron at 4020, up to 2.8 GHz, 4GB RAM, 256GB, Backlit keyboard, webcam, Win 10 plus 1 year Microsoft 365. 15.6 inches FHD NanoEdge display 15.6 inches FHD, 1920 by 1080, anti-glare. Number 5 2022 Newest Acer Aspire 5 15.6 inches FHD IPS Slim Laptop, AMD Ryzen 3 3350U 4-core processor up to 3.5 GHz 20GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Backlit KB, fingerprint reader, Amazon Alexa, Win 11S, 3-in-1 accessories. Upgraded powerful storage 20GB DDR4.